Welcome to Tatum Talk. Today I am talking about these boots. I don't know if y'all know about Jennifer Lee, but if not, get into it. I got these boots. Finally, Driftwoods. And let me tell you, getting these boots is not easy, okay? This girl, Jennifer Lee, she is in Canada. However, her items sell out so fast. She has amazing, unique pieces. If you're not aware of her, the site is IamJenniferLee.com. They're not sold in stores, okay? So you can only get them through her website. And if you follow her on her Instagram page, that's when she tells you when she's about to drop certain styles. So these only come out once a year, every October. And I tried to get them last year, y'all, and I couldn't get them. They sold out. They like trying to get Beyonce, trying to get some items from Ivy Park on Beyonce's site, okay? You can't do it. Like, you practically gotta know somebody to get those. They sell out in like under 5 minutes. These are like that. They sell out in like the same thing, like under 5 minutes. Her marketing is crazy because she made them so exclusive that people try to get them year after year. They just keep coming back. It's been 3 long years. I finally got them. I'm crying tears of joy. After 3 years, I finally got them. I'm sad I missed them again. Crying tears. Sold out. Oh my God, I've never been this pressed. Jumped off the treadmill, forgot to turn it off, but I got them finally. And after 3 years, I finally got a pair. These are leather. And if you see the pony hair, it's really nicely made. Look at the bottom. Look at the stitching around the bottom. Detail. The line up the back. Detail. Right here. Detail. I really like them. And everybody loves them. Okay? So I was so happy to get them. Now, what I'm going to tell you is tips. I have 2 tips because no doubt some of you out there tried to get them or something else on her site. There's an array of things that you can try to get that all sell out really fast. 2 tips on how you can get your order placed and get the actual item. So first of all, let me just say, I didn't get the item the day of the drop. I actually missed it. I fumbled it, okay? I fumbled it so bad. I was prepared. I knew about it. I was on the site early, and I still didn't get them. You know, when we find that item, like that special item that's unique and that's real hot,
I did the damn thing.
if you don't get your item, I'm gonna show you how bad I fumbled this, okay? I was livid, like I couldn't, because I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to wait another year. I'm a little bit early, and I'm looking, I'm scrolling, I don't see the boot. Go back to the top, I refresh, and it's there. It's right there, okay. The clock is ticking. I'm speeding. I'm trying to speed anyway, but I'm not prepared. I fumbled it so bad. I find my size. Okay, it's added, yes. Somehow, I couldn't get to the checkout page. I got over here, and it told me you have no orders yet. So now I'm confused. And so what do? I go back, and I add it again. I don't know what I'm doing. Time is ticking. This thing is going to sell out. I know it because I experienced it last year. This is my second time trying to get these boots. Look in the cart. Look. And I'm in, like panic mode. All of this is happening probably in less than 5 minutes. All of this is going on. I never made it to the checkout. Now it says unable to add item. Why? Because it's sold out. Here's the tip. At the bottom, there is after it says sold out on your page, right? After you go through all the steps and it's not there, fill in that box that says email. Fill it in. You will be notified when it restocks. That's a tip. That's a great tip. You know why? Because the chances of it restocking is high. The odds are very likely. I'm gonna say this, and I don't know if I'm right or not. I read a book about the Birkin bag, right? This was a fabulous marketing ploy by Hermes. And I don't know if you're familiar with this Birkin bag or not. Those of you that are not into fashion, if you've not heard of it, it's the most coveted bag in the world. Okay, very, very expensive bag. It could go upwards to like $20,000 for a bag. Now, they've got it that way based on exclusivity because look, Sotheby's auctions these bags from time to time. This one, $82,000 for a bag. Somewhere that's a house. You couldn't get the bag. You couldn't just walk into a store and purchase it. You would have to go on a wait list. The wait list could be 2 years. Bringing home the Birkin. If you're interested, I'll put the link below. But I read this book years ago and I was like, wow, that was brilliant of how they made this the most coveted bag. There really wasn't a wait list. There were bags in the back waiting to be sold, but they would not sell it. Instead, they would make people think that they couldn't get it, that it was sold out, and that you had to go on the wait list. They made people want it more. So I don't know if her marketing resembles that, or if she knows about, or if this is planned or anything. But in my mind, I like to think that she has like 440,000 people following her, right? Whenever she has a drop, how many boots or shoes do you think she actually gets produced? I don't know, but let's just say 500 pair to be produced. But she's not going to release all 500 pair on the drop date, right? She'll probably release half of that amount because she knows it's going to sell out. And then she'll send an email like I got. She'll send an email a week later, week and a half later, maybe even days later, and she'll say restocked. And then that just means that people are still going to go and buy it because they were disappointed. Fear of, FOMO. Fear of missing out. She's playing on that. That's what I think. I don't know. I'm just saying. And so we're lined up waiting to give $500. You never wanted to give $500 so bad before in your life. Celebrities are wearing her stuff. You know, you got Mary J. Blige, you got Beyonce. She is known for her shipping, okay? She is on point with her shipping. She is in Canada. I am in DC, and I can tell you I will have those boots 2 days later after I order them. And that's usually everybody comments like that about her shipping. And her quality is very good. Her boxes is good quality. This is like embossed, and inside she gives you a customized card saying thank you for your purchase. And this is a magnetic so that it snaps and it closes really nice. The packaging and everything is really nice. It's really luxurious. So, you know, it's a whole experience to receive it. 2-day shipping comes DHL. You're paying for that shipping, mind you. It's like you have no other choice. There's only one way to check out, and it's DHL international shipping. It's like $35 extra, and so you're guaranteed to get it really fast. I bought these other boots last year because I was trying to get these black ones. They were sold out. So then I saw green ones. Green ones are hot. However, they have a heel. Here's the green ones. See the heel? This heel right here, too big for me right now. Like when I was in my 20s, I used to be able to wear this heel like something this high every single day. Every single day, I could stay in it all day. I could walk up steps. I could stand on the train, everything. But now, this heel is like maybe 4.5 inches. It's too much for me. So I only wore these boots one time. I really like them. I really like the way they looked. But I didn't take into consideration, I didn't know her stuff at the time. I didn't know it was true to size. These are a size bigger, right? Because the ones I wanted were sold out. I said, I wonder if I could fit the size up. Like, I don't know if they run small or not. Long story short, I got these for sale. because I'm not gonna wear them again. So if anybody is interested, these are a 42, and see the bottom, only worn once. So if you're interested, click the email in the description, send me a message, or just comment under this video. Second tip, the other way to get these items when she's having a drop is to become a member, because when you become a member, you get the option to set all your information, your address, save your card information, all of that stuff is in there already. So when it comes time to check out and you're really in a rush and you don't want to fumble it like I did, all your stuff will be saved. So all you literally have to do is add the card, and then, get to the checkout page. All your stuff is going to propagate into the right boxes, and then you just hit place order. So that should be really fast, and it should get you ahead of the competition. Oh, I almost forgot about tip number 3. Okay, if you are buying an expensive purchase like these boots, right? You might not have $500, but like I said, it drops, some of them, once a year. You don't want to miss out on that opportunity. What you would do is this: you would use an app called Zip. ZIP. It used to be QuadPay. Some of you may have heard of QuadPay. Now it's called Zip. Download this app. This is what it looks like. It's called Zip now. It used to be called QuadPay. I already have it downloaded, so I just have to open it. So you get into QuadPay, right? They start you off with a balance. Mine has worked its way up to $800, but right now I still have some things I'm paying on, so this is what's available to me. Now they have an array of stores in here. I mean, they really have a lot of stores. But if you don't see your store, like, it's fine, right? All you got to do is just type it in right here. So I don't see, like, say I am Jennifer Lee, right? It's not coming up because she's not in their network, but that doesn't even matter, because when they can't find it, they're going to say search I am Jennifer Lee with Google. Yes, hit that. And then it's going to take you to her site. This is her site. And so all you have to do is go to the site of the thing you want to purchase, right? And then you just go through like you normally would. You find something, you add it to cart. Here, pay with Zip. So when you get to the checkout page, instead of putting in your own card, you would hit this, pay with Zip. See, how much do you plan to spend? And then you could put in whatever amount. If they gave you $500, you just want to put in the item you want might be $450. You want to go through all the steps first, find out how much it is with tax, right? Say it's $479. You put that in, you hit continue. It's going to say we split it in 4. Okay, $479. It comes to $483 because they add $1 on to each of the 4 payments they're going to break it up into. So $479 and 4 brings you to $483. You have Amazon, Macy's, Sephora, Walmart, Target, Nike, the Apple Store, eBay Store. Oh, look, Instacart is here too. Yeah, so this is so helpful, guys. So helpful. So if you have a big purchase, Overstock, Optimum, Allstate, I didn't know that was here. They've added some different type of things. Geico is here. Really? You could pay your bills and payments like, oh, look at that. All right. That's news to me. I learned something today. Okay. Split any payment into 4, okay? That's how I pay for my bills. It works every time. And I have a link below. It's a referral code. Use my link and you get cash, and so do I. Thank me later. Thanks for watching. And if you like this information, please hit like. Okay, I'm going to show you how long it takes to unlace these boots. Now, these are not the type of boots where you're going to get ready to go, you're going to be rushing, running late or whatever, and you think, okay, I'm just going to slip them on and run out the door. No, that's not going to happen. You need to allot at least about 10 minutes to put these boots on, because they take a while, okay? So right now, they're new. So I haven't even, this is the first time I'm loosening them to put my foot in. So they are tightly laced. And you really have to start, the shoestring is really, really long. Look at that shoestring. It's long like that for a reason, because you need to wiggle it. Have enough wiggle room to pull it all the way through, and you have to go row by row by row to loosen it. And that's what takes so long. You really have to go. Sometimes each eyelet has to be pulled from both sides. Yeah, so you definitely need to have time to do this. And these ain't something that you're gonna put on if you think you just, like run into the store, like, for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. No, you want to put these on when you know you're gonna be out for a couple of hours, because it's not even worth it to go through all this work and just wear them for like 15 minutes. I couldn't get my foot in. It was still too tight. So now I have to come back and loosen it some more. But let me tell you, these are so comfortable. I could walk in them all day. Well, they're flat, so of course, but they run true to size. So I'm a 10, and I ordered a 10, which is a 41, and they're perfect. The socks I have on are not too thick, not thin, but regular, and it's perfect. They are so comfortable. I guess this might go a little bit faster after you do it a couple of times and get the hang of it. This was my first time, and then after this video, I think I've only worn them one other day. I think the second time I got it on a little bit quicker. I'm not even speeding up this video though, because I'm showing you in real time that it takes a minute to get them on. And so now you have to go back through all the rows and all the eyelets again to tighten it back up. And that's important too, because if you don't tighten it properly, then it'll be like a little bit gapey when you walk if it's loose. You know what I mean? Like one row or whatever might be a little bit gapey. So you have to do that. You got to make sure it's laced up really good. And then the shoestrings are so long after I tie it that I just kind of tucked it behind the tongue so they won't hang or bounce around when I walk. And I'm done. They look really nice. I got a compliment from this guy. He was like, wow, those look really expensive. They look like red bottoms or something.